Hello, this video is about the online upgrade of the wired dongle, this one. And first go to your settings and open your cellular data and personal hotspot. And then use a tool to press the button for 1. You see the UI will become like this, and then connect the lightning cable with your phone. Click trust, then input the password. And then we just wait. You see here the new update found, and we just wait. It will finish the whole online upgrade itself, and then it will reboot. For this whole process, it will take about 8 minutes. You see now the upgrade is ready, and because the phone is connected with the dongle, so the screen is automatically on the TV screen, and this is the update.